G'day everyone, Alex from Escape Domain, here to show you today how to fold up your pop-up tent. Now these things can be the most frustrating things in the world. Obviously the easiest thing to do is the start, is setting it up. Literally just pops into shape. Love it, well done, easy to do. Now the hard bit is how do you pack it back up at the end. So all you have to do, maintain where the peak is, fold it back. Now remember, this is not my first time. If it doesn't look this smooth when you do it, it's okay. We're going to tuck all these bits and pieces in. Alright, just moving so you guys can see. Alright, we're now going to fold it underneath itself. Okay, so the folding should feel really easy. If you're feeling a lot of resistance, you're probably doing it wrong. You're going to fold this in and under itself. And done. So that's how to do it. Let's have a bit of fun with the camera, but thanks for watching. And just practice this before you go and use it. It'll save you a lot of grief. All right, thanks for watching.